Hello friends, welcome to a new crochet tutorial on my channel. After making tons of warm and cozy scarves, I was in the mood for crocheting something light and lacy, and that's how this simple shell scarf came to be. This is such a simple pattern and even a beginner will be able to work it. This is the kind of stitching project that can be handy when you need to work a quick crochet gift. You can make the scarf in one day, and the shell stitch is so versatile that virtually any kind of yarn would work for it. There is only one repeating row, which makes the scarf reversible. I made my scarf with category 3 lightweight Tencel and wool blend yarn. The finished measurements of my scarf are about 54 inches long and 8 inches wide, but of course the size can be easily adjusted. I do have another similar shell scarf pattern on my channel. This one looks very pretty too, but the shells are bigger. They are worked with 4 double crochets, 3 chains and 4 double crochets, while today's scarf is worked with smaller shells, which have 3 double crochets, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. Other than a lacy scarf, this shell stitch would also make a lovely table runner. Just use mercerized cotton yarn and adjust the sizing accordingly. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. The yarn that I'm going to use is Vireo. It is 80% Tencel, 20% wool. This is a category 3 lightweight yarn. I will use 2 skeins or 200 grams or 412 yards, and I will crochet with the hook size H 5 millimeters. The starting chain must be a multiple of 6 plus 4. I start with 40 chains. 36 is a multiple of 6 plus 4 more gives me 40. Here I have 40 chains and I'm starting the first row of shells. I will work the first shell into the fourth chain from the hook. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So into the first chain I work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And over here, these 3 skip chains also count as a double crochet. So now it counts as I have 3 double crochets worked. Next, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And into the same chain, I work 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So this is the first shell of the row. I skip the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into the next chain, again, I work a shell. So first I work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And into this same chain, I work 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So here I have 2 shells worked, and I'm gonna continue crocheting this way all the way across. I'm going to skip the next 5 chains, but over here be careful, because as I worked all of these stitches into this chain, the next one became quite small and difficult to see. So I need to make sure that I'm counting this chain as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm skipping 5 chains, and into the next one I work a shell again, which is 3 double crochets, then 3 chains and 3 more double crochets. 3 chains and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So that's how this first row is worked. And now here at the end of the row, I have 6 chains left. So I skip 5 chains and I make a shell into the very last chain. I finished the last shell, and this is what the first row looks like. In the first row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shells. Now, if you wish, you can leave this edge of the scarf as it is. You can leave it straight, or you can make it pointy the way I worked over here. So the way I worked over here is I made the same kind of shells, working them into the original chain. So if you want to have a straight edge, you can simply turn and continue crocheting the next row. But if you want to make this edge like this, here is how you do it. At the end of the row, you make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And now we are going to continue crocheting into the bottom of the shells over here, so into the original chain. Into this stitch over here, into this chain, I will work the same kind of shell as before. So I make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3. And now into the next chain where the shell was worked, I work the same kind of shell again. So 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 3 chains, and then 3 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and so on. I'm gonna make this kind of shell into each chain over here where the shell was already worked. Here I work the last shell into the last chain where the first shell was worked. Now I make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I join with a slip stitch to the top chain of these 3 chains right here. Now I turn this way, and I'm going to continue crocheting over here. To start the next row, I'm going to slip stitch all the way to this chain 3 space. So I make a slip stitch into each one of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and I also make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Now I make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. These 3 chains will count as the first double crochet, and into this same chain 3 space, I work 2 more double crochets. 1, 2. Now 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. So I worked the same kind of shell as before. And that's what I'm gonna do in this row. Into the next chain 3 space over here, I work a shell. 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And that's how I continue crocheting this row. And here I work the whole row of such shells. Now I turn, and all I'm gonna do now is repeating that same row. First I'm going to slip stitch all the way to this chain 3 space. So I make a slip stitch into each one of the 3 double crochets, and then I make a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. And now I'm going to work the same kind of shell as before. 3 chains and 2 double crochets. 1, 2. 3 chains and 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then I will make a shell into each shell. So that's it. That's how this scarf is worked. And once you reach the desired length of your scarf, you can simply fasten off. I also steamed my scarf, but it's up to you if you want to steam yours.